Hello friends, welcome to Institute of Banking Excellence. Today we are going to talk about Agency Commission on Government Transactions, as per RBI MD August 1, 2019. Before starting the video, if you like it, please press the like button, share and subscribe it with your friends. Without wasting much time, let's get started. The following transactions undertaken by agency banks are eligible for agency commission. A. Revenue receipts and payments on behalf of the central, state government. B. Pension payments in respect of central, state governments. C. Any other item of work specifically advised by Reserve Bank as eligible for agency commission, viz. Relief bonds/savings bonds etc. transactions. 1. The work related to small savings scheme also fetches commission which is paid by central government. 2. Agency banks collecting stamp duty physically or through e-mode are eligible for commission provided it has not been collected from the members of public. 3. If a bank is acting as franking vendor, it will not be eligible for agency commission as commission is paid by state government. The following transaction is not eligible for agency commission. 1. Own transactions like deposit of tax, corporation taxes etc. either through their own bank or SBI are not eligible for agency commission, and banks must give undertaking that their own transactions have been excluded while submitting claims for agency commission. 2. Bank guarantees etc. given to Government of India on behalf of customers. 3. The banking business of municipalities/corporations/autonomous bodies. 4. Payments which have been classified of capital nature by the government. 5. Pre-funded schemes implemented by either state or central government. 6. Transactions relating to gold monetization schemes. Rates of agency commission. For receipts, physical transaction per unit rate is Rs 40. For receipts, e-mode transaction per unit rate is Rs 9. For pension payment transaction per unit rate is Rs 75. For payments other than pension transaction per Rs 100 turnover unit rate is 6.5 paisa. Important. 1. Agency banks authorized to collect GST shall upload their luggage files in RBI's QPX, eKabar on all days except on NEFT/RTGS holidays, including Sundays and non-working Saturdays. 2. Agency banks would be eligible to claim agency commission for pension transactions at the rate of Rs 75 per transaction only when the entire work relating to disbursement of pension including pension calculation is attended to by them. If the calculation is done by department and bank only credits the pension, it is eligible for commission at 6.50 paisa per Rs 100 credited turnover. 3. The number of transactions eligible for payment of agency commission should not exceed 14 per pensioner per year. This includes 1 monthly credit for payment of net pension and a maximum of 2 per year for payment of arrears on account of increase in dryness relief, if applicable. Agency commission is payable to an agency bank at the full rate provided the transactions are handled by the bank at all stages. Where, however, the work is shared between two banks, the agency commission is shared between the banks in the proportion of 75:25. Test your knowledge. Question 1. In accordance with the policy of agency commission, the bank has been undertaking government transactions which are eligible for agency commission. While claiming commission, which of the following shall be taken care? 1. Agency commission is not claimed for stamp duty collected by the bank through e-mode. 2. Agency commission is claimed for stamp duty collected by the bank physically, e-mode. 3. Bank's own transactions like deposit of TDS, corporation tax are not included while submitting claim of agency commission. 4. Transactions relating to gold monetization scheme are not included in the claim. 5. Transactions relating to gold monetization scheme are included in the claim. A. 1, 3, and 4 are correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1 and 5 are correct. D. 2, 3 and 5 are correct. E. 1, 3 and 5 are correct. Answer, B. Question 2. The policy on agency commission transactions states that your bank is authorized to collect GST from the customers. The reporting of GST transactions has to be done in accordance with policy. A. The XRBL statements directly generated from core banking system is to be uploaded on EcoBaron every Friday. B. Luggage files shall be uploaded in RBI's QPX on all days except NEFT/RDGS holidays. C. Luggage files shall be uploaded in RBI's QPX on all days. D. Luggage files shall be uploaded in RBI's QPX on all every Friday or preceding day of Friday is holiday. E. XRBL files shall be uploaded in RBI's QPX, EcoBaron every Friday or preceding day of Friday is holiday. Answer, B. Question 3. Your bank has been undertaking agency commission transactions on behalf of various central government ministries. In case a government transaction has not been reported and agency commission is not claimed, what will be the procedure adopted by the bank as per its policy to claim the commission from RBI? A. If transactions is done in physical mode, the claim cannot be made after due date of submission of claim. However, if transactions is done in electronic mode, the claim can be made after due date of submission of claim with approval of MD of the bank up to 90 days. B. If transaction is less than 90 days old, the bank can submit its claim. C. If the transaction is more than 90 days old, the bank needs to obtain approval from concerned ministry before lodging its claim with RBI. D, A, and C, both are correct. E, B, and C, both are correct. Answer, D. Question 4. In relation to collection of goods and services tax by your bank as an agent, what does P refer to in PIN? A. Payment. B. Physical. C. Penal. D. Pension. E. Portal. Answer, E. Question 5. Your bank is handling pension accounts of a central government ministry. The department calculates the pension for its eligible employees and imparts instructions to credit the pension accounts held by your bank by debiting the ministry's account maintained with your bank. As per bank policy, what will be the commission to be claimed for such transactions? A. Rupees 75 per credit. B. 6.50 paisa per rupees 100 credited. C. Rupees 9 per credit. D. Rupees 40 per credit. E. 10 paisa per rupees 100 credited. Answer, B. Question 6. The maximum number of transaction eligible for payment of pension to an eligible pension shall not exceed per year per pensioner. A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. Not limited. E. 24. Answer, C. Question 7. You have given 12 pension credits to the account of a pensioner. Further, the arrears on account of enhancement injuriness allowance have been credited to the pension 3 times in the same year. How many transactions can be submitted, as per your bank policy, for claiming agency commission? A. 13. B. 12. C. 14. D. 15. E. 3. Answer, C. Question 8. There are 2 banks involved in a government transaction which is eligible for agency commission. One bank deal with handling of documents, passing of scrolls and documents to the RBI or agency bank conducting government agency and other bank accounts for these transactions and passes on the scrolls and documents to pay and accounts office, treasuries etc. Under the given conditions, what will be the ratio of agency commission between the 2 banks? A. 60:40. B. 40:60. C. 50:50. D. 75:25. E. 25:75. Answer, D. Question 9. Agency banks are required to submit their claims for agency commission in the prescribed format to in respect of central government transactions. A. RBI, Mumbai. B. RBI, Regional Office at the place of claiming bank. C. Central Accounts Section, Nagpur. D. The respective designated offices of RBI as per nature of claim. E. RBI, Accounts Section, Mumbai. Answer, C. Question 10. Agency banks are required to submit their claims for agency commission in the prescribed format for state government transactions. A. RBI, Mumbai. B. RBI, Regional Office. C. Central Accounts Section, Nagpur. D. The respective designated offices of RBI as per nature of claim. E. RBI, Accounts Section, Mumbai. Answer, B. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stay tuned for the next one. Till then, bye and stay blessed.